what is your profit margin? And what is it at the job level and what is it at the company level? Because those are often different. We have a lot of conversations with companies and our clients about their profit, but understanding what the right profit is per job, how we're tracking that, what costs are we considering as cost of production versus overhead costs, and are we hitting the right targets? You know, at the end of the day, you're running a business that has to generate a reasonable profit. And looking at the job level, often we find that the margins appear to be good on the job level, but when we look at the company level, because of the unaccounted for hours and slippage in the company, the profit isn't what we wanted it to be. But another key factor is, are we accounting for all our real costs of production, right? It's not just the in-house labor and your subs and your materials, it's also your project management and your estimating and sales costs, and really anything that changes because you took on those projects. We need to account for those costs in our job costs and know what our real gross profit is at the end. So really knowing how to manage your numbers and track them correctly. And looking at your P&L, it's not that it's incorrect, because your P&L in most cases is just fine, but it's a tax tool, it's not a business management tool. And so being able to have your numbers set up in a business management format to be able to see what all your true costs are for production and be able to manage all of those costs and know what the gross profit is at the job level, but then also look at the company level to see, is there any inefficiencies in, you know, delays between the jobs or unaccounted for hours or material slippage, and actually know where we're landing is going to be critical to having the right outcome. Know what your target is and make sure you have a plan to get there is really the strategy and the goal that you need to have. And if you'd like more information or you'd like to have an analysis on that, we'd be happy to build an analysis for you on your business. We'll take your profit and loss and we'll break it down into a business analysis format to show you where your costs are as a percentage, what your target should be, and how you can achieve that goal.